Today we have the 57 Jeep FC, and it is in red color. We have some paint on the door and it says Jeep right there. We have a white rim with 5-spoke wheel. It says Jeep right there. Okay, some headlight details. And this is from the series HW Motor Trucks. This is the third one out of 10. And let's open it up. Yeah, I know it's open from here. Try to no. Let's just properly uncard it. So there it goes. Okay. Oh, it won't come off. It's a big car, I guess. Okay, it came off, and you can see this is the Jeep truck. It was silver here on this one. Right now it is not, and you might be hearing all sorts of other noise: door closing, door opening. That's my partner, and some TV noise. That's my parents watching the TV. But yeah, let's look at this one. So it says Jeep. Okay, that's the door handle here. Mirrors. These headlights are not detailed. I don't know, some minute scratches on this one. This is the top angle. This is how it looks. This is a spare wheel and some other things. This is the back. No specific details. These are the hooks, I guess. Same on the other side. And for the base lovers, this is the base. Malaysia 57 Jeep FC. Okay, nice. Okay, this is how it looks. Let's do some roll test. Okay. Oh yeah, it's out of the frame. It rolls nice. It is smooth. Sorry for the camera shifting the colors from warm to neutral, like back and forth. This fender was supposed to have some details. I don't know, this is not the fender. This, I don't know what this is called. It is let me remember. It is supposed to protect your under chassis when you're in the high incline or steep decline, right? I don't see if it is the metal. Yeah, it is metal, and it is painted in what do you say, soft color paint, soft paint, not metallic. Some sort of sunroof here. You tell me now, how does it look? I was under the impression of this one, and then I got it. Now I feel like maybe I could have passed this one, but it's a truck after all, pickup truck sort of thing. I think it'll make some space. It'll get some love that it was supposed to get. The headlights are detailed nicely actually. There's some detail here, but no paint details. if you're into jeeps, if you're into pickups, I think this looks very nice. Yeah, so that's it from today, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and give it hit the bell icon for more updates. Also do follow my Instagram, and I know I will improve the production quality. Give me some time, and your support, your subscription will matter a lot in this one. See, again the video has shifted to the warm colors now, light warm. I don't know, maybe it's the phone, I guess. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.